What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make printable coloring pages from text or photos on Canva for free. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your Canva, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus after choosing the design to the size that you want, and go to apps, okay? Into apps, search for this app right here, AI coloring page. Go to this first result right here. Make printable coloring pages from text or photos. Click on open. Then you can type a text to describe or inspire me, in the case that you want to get some inspiration. It can be for kids, for teenage, or for teen. You can change the lines, the aspect ratio, up to you, okay? Number of images, and include colored references in the case that you want. Up to you, okay? You have one image remaining, okay? So you have one image per day. You can create one image per day for free. Let me choose one. I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes, but remember, you can upload your photo in the case that you want to share some reference with the AI, or you can describe what exactly you are looking for. This is nice for teachers that want to print something for the kids, okay? Or in the case that you are doing some book, some colorful book, this is gonna be useful. And here is the result I got. Click on Add to Design, and you are good to go. You can print this when you want. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.